the different engine safety protection. A ship's propulsion engine is what keeps the ship going at sea. Considered as the heart of any vessel, the marine engine of the ship takes the entire load to propel the ship forward. Of course, without an engine, a ship is almost a dead ship. Throughout its life, the propulsion engine of the ship goes through various loads and stresses, from rough weather to harsh maneuvering and breakdowns. To avoid any major loss or damage to the marine engine, several protective devices are fitted to safeguard the engine from major damages and breakdown. In order to protect the engine, it has different types of safety protections. We will be explaining the different types of protections on a ship's marine engine. Basically, there are four main types of protection systems used to safeguard propulsion engine. First is the alarm. Alarm is a device that produces sound when there is a misset point of the parameters. For example is the main engine alarm. The expansion tank low level alarm sounded. Its possible causes is if there is a leakage from cylinder head O-rings. This happens mainly because of the insufficient preheating, but stops when the engine is running and the jacket cooling water outlet temperature is 80 to 82 degrees Celsius. Due to thermal expansion, the possible solution of this particular fault is regular maintenance with use of correct size and types of O-rings, and good cleaning of surfaces is the key to resolve the problem.
Good day, sir. I am Isabella Kiven. And the next engine safety protection is the slowdown. So when we say slowdown, it is the next stage of protection when actions taken are not sufficient to control the ongoing problem. Hence, engine slowdown is done to counter the disturbed parameter. In this situation, the main engine will come to dead slow RPM. Below 30 RPM, as a slowdown protection gets activated. So one situation is the low pressure of piston cooling oil at around 1.5 bar. And this happens because of insufficient supply of lube oil or malfunction of lubricating pumps or dodging of the Duplex filter. And other situations that include is camshaft pressure falls below 2 bars. Piston cooling temperature is high, greater than 75 degrees Celsius, and etc. solutions. And increase the supply of lube oil, troubleshooting of lubricating pumps, or isolation and proper maintenance of filters.
Good day, sir. I am Banhao Newsel I. So the next engine safety protection is the shutdown, where when there is a higher fluctuation in the engine parameters, which can harm other systems in the engine, the shutdown protection devices cut off the fuel supply and the engine stops. So in these situations, the main engine will stop as the shutdown protection gets activated. Situations of this activation include no flow of cylinder lube oil inlet pressure to engine is very low at less than 1 bar, and very high jacket cooling water temperature more than 95 degrees Celsius. So these situations can cause extreme events which must be prevented by shutting down the engine and prioritize the safety of the ship and the crew.
So, hello sir, I'm Urbano Ninyo, G, and the last safety protection is the starting interlocks. They will not allow the engine to start from the still condition if the some important system within the engine not been operated or arranged properly. Examples of starting interlocks are turning gear interlock blower, interlocks and others which were already discussed in the previous topics. So that is all about the different engine safety protections. Again, we are group 4 from Bismarck 3A, and thank you for watching.